Hello again, welcome to another wood floor renovations video clip. Apologies for the noise in the background, that's my colleague working away in the room. We're in a church, St Francis Church in Budworth in Sale this morning, doing this altar area. A lot of these panels that you can see were actually loose. We've pinned them back down and now we've just started sanding a short time ago. You can see the difference we've made already. There we go, check back later, see how this looks. It's going to look really good. Cheers.